From above, light gray buildings with dark gray roofs surround a grassy area. Text, Ravelle at Ridgeview, opening in 2022.
Welcome to the Ravelle at Ridgeview, Southeast Nashville's pinnacle address.
A pool sits in a courtyard area.
Sitting high atop the Southeast Nashville community and with quick access to I-24, the Ravelle is only minutes away from one of the nation's fastest growing cities.
The label, I-24, appears above a highway. In the distance, a line is labeled, Nashville.
Located just 12 miles southeast of downtown Nashville, 9 miles east of the Brentwood area, and close to the historic cities of Franklin and Murfreesboro, this brand new community is nestled between many of Middle Tennessee's most sought-after destinations, while still offering luxury apartment homes and resort-style living at a more affordable cost.
Cabanas sit around a pool at dusk.
The Ravelle is proud to be a part of our local vibrant neighborhood. The Southeast Nashville community has seen tremendous growth with exciting new local attractions like the Century Farms development, the future home of the new Tanger outlet.
A sign on a stone pillar reads, Century Farms, Nashville, 1857.
The Ravelle at Ridgeview, where mountain vistas meet city lights and lush natural beauty meets modern design. Our community puts a premium on comfort and convenience.
A chandelier hangs above a pool table in a common area.
The Ravelle at Ridgeview is more than a place to live. It's a place you love.
Pendant lights hang above a kitchen island with 2 stools.
Our elegant homes boast world-class features. Our kitchens are designed with granite countertops with custom tile backsplash, 42-inch cabinets, undermount sinks, breakfast bar islands, and all stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. Each of our layouts feature hardwood vinyl plank flooring, walk-in closets throughout the home, fully enclosed laundry spaces with washers and dryers, and private balconies and patios.
A balcony overlooks the pool area at dusk.
You step outside your door at the Ravelle, you enter an oasis of resort-style living. Our lavish pool area offers a stunning view, complete with comfortable cabanas and a spacious tanning deck, an ideal spot to soak up the sun.
Outdoor sofas sit beside a fire pit. Lounge chairs sit poolside.
Our multi-level fitness area also features a magnificent vista, as well as the latest in cardio and strength training equipment and an exclusive yoga room.
Treadmills overlook a railing to the bottom floor of the gym. Yoga mats lie on the floor near a mirrored wall.
At the center of our community is the stunning Great Lawn, a private green space spanning the entire property, featuring grilling and picnic areas and cozy fire pits.
From above, 8 chairs around a fire pit are highlighted on the Great Lawn.
This massive and beautifully landscaped area is a great place to enjoy the wonderful view and take in the fresh air with family, friends, and pets. Our inviting clubhouse feels like an extension of your own home, with an always-open coffee bar, a billiards and game room, and a spacious TV viewing area.
Chairs sit at a long table in front of a TV that hangs over a fireplace. Pillows decorate bench seating.
Our clubhouse also features a convenient cyber cafe and business center if you need to check in with the office. Nature lovers will relish the Ravelle's elevated view and enjoy easy proximity to the beautiful parks, lakes, and trails of Middle Tennessee.
A sign reads, Long Hunter State Park, established 1976.
The Ravelle offers a variety of 6 spacious floor plans for you to choose from, designed to fit your specific needs. The point, the horizon, the scene, the vista, the perspective, and the elevate. The Ravelle offers the option of private garages for our residents, as well as valet trash service and our own package delivery program. The Ravelle at Ridgeview delivers elevated living in a flourishing community. To find out more or to reserve your new home today, visit us on the web at theravelle.com. The Ravelle at Ridgeview. Elevate your view.